Now let's now work on assignment operators. That's it like this. Assignment operators. How does this work? It works this way. Assignment is a way of assigning a value to a variable. So for example, I have my variable to be x. So if I write x equals to 5, this means I'm assigning 5 to variable x. So that is the meaning of assignment. So you are assigning a value to your variable. What is that variable? X. So display is what is called you are assigning a value. This is where you declare your variable. So we are using what? We are using equal to assign value to a variable. So if you want to, I'll show it out now. You can just write it like this, x. So it will bring that 5 out. Okay. Now what if you want to this, you know that these are 5 already. These are 5 already. If you want to add 2 to this your x, what will you do? To add another number or to add another value to your existing declared variable or to your existing assigned variable. This one already has 5. So let's put it like this, that x already has 5. We all know that 5 is inside my x. You now want to add or you want to perform another miracle on this your x, maybe by altering the value there before or by doing anything, and you don't want to change the value from x to another variable. So you can still maintain this your x. It should now be x. Now what I want to do now is I want to add 2 to this 5 without changing the value and without changing the variable name. So how you do it? You do it like this, equals to x plus 2. So that means this my x is already here. This one is 5. 5 is already here. I now call upon that 5 here plus 2, 7. So 7 will now be, will now update this my x. So if I show out this x, I will find 7 inside. You can see without you touching the variable, without you redeclaring the variable, you still maintain that x. 5, this is 5. 5 is inside this x. You now call upon that 5 here plus 2, making 7. So you put it in this x again. Now the 5 that was there before will be updated to 7. That's why you got this. So this is old way of assigning value to an old way. So we are now using this time. This is the method you should be using now. Since we have x and x here, they are the same. Mind, they must be the same before you apply the rule I want to type now. So you change this to, you just change it like this and put plus equals to. So this plus equal to will modify what you have before and add 5 and add 2 to it. So plus equal to is the best. This is what we have before. So this is what you should be using. This is what you should be using. Plus equals to 2. Simple. So it's not x plus equals to 2. It means update what I have in my x before and add, because of this plus, and add 2 to it. Then you now show the result. So let me add 8 to it so that it becomes 13. So let's check it out. This is 13. So that means I'm adding 8 to my existing value. If I put minus, that means I'm minusing 8. I'm subtracting 8 from my existing value. That will be minus 3. You can use any operation here, any operator here. Times, that means 5 times 8. You can use percentage. You should take the previous one, which is 5, and find the remainder when dividing by this. So you can use any other thing. Okay. All right. Now, under this, we have the next thing we want to discuss now is what is called oh, what is called data type. Now, data type means different type of data or different type of value you can assign to a variable. If we are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, we are referring to number. If we are saying Lagos, Nigeria, we are referring to string. Another thing, if we are creating we still have arrays. So that means you want to assign the same value or the same data type to one variable. But data and the values will not be more than one. Now here we go. Let's say we have the inputs num1 or just num. Is a variable name. You can name it anyhow. I put 5 here. So in this variable I create is numeric value we use. So it's numeric value we use. And when dealing with numeric value, there is no quotes or no double quotes, no single quotes. Just leave it like that. So let's create string. Then put country like this, Nigeria. Now you can see that this is not number. That is why I put double quotes there. So it will be treated as a string. I put double quote there. So this is another data type. Let's call this one string. Is another. Now var x equals to, I have first name, comma, last name, now you can see the way I create this. That means this my one variable, which is x. Let me call it full name, which is just full name, is a variable. I now have another variable inside, another one inside. So this is what is called objects. This one is not now, it's later we discuss about objects. Okay. Now when you want to perform maybe something on this, on number and string. For example, let's do document.write number. This one will show 46. When you want to document.write line country, this one will show Nigeria. Now what if you want to show this and this together? What will you do? So that was called concatenating. So you have to concatenate the two. Concatenate means join the two together. How we now join the two together? So let's call it results equals to, you join num. We are using plus to concatenate in JavaScript. So plus country. Then you now show her this result. Document.write. So that result, let's show it out. So you can see that we have 46 Nigeria. So to put space is to concatenate space again, plus space, plus. So that means after the number plus, This